Hey guys, how's it going? How to comment anonymously on Facebook. Here's a few methods you can try. First of all, go ahead to your Facebook and try to create a new account. Use Facebook groups with anonymous posting. Join a group that allows anonymous posting, and comment on pages as a page. If you manage a Facebook page, you can comment as that page instead of your personal account, which can help maintain anonymity. So keep in mind that full anonymity is difficult to achieve on social media platforms like Facebook. Always be cautious of the information you share. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.